Yes. It's a good day. It's summer, right? Yeah, of course. So we can do barbecue, do coffee, whatever, but I'm so excited! Yay! Now it's gonna be a cool day more because we're gonna eat barbecue. Yeah, you remembered me. But where's Ken? I mean, he should be now because, did you even call him? I mean, yeah, I called him in the morning today and he said I will come in 5 minutes and we are here. Before him, I mean. I don't know, maybe he's still driving to the picnic park. Well, before he comes, do you want a drink or something? Yeah, sure, I would love to. What do you want? I'm thirsty, so I'll get water. Okay. All right, and what do you want, Aurora? I don't know. I'll get the same. Okay. There we go. It's perfect. Now let's have a drink. All right. That's really yummy and fresh, of course. You want to try? Sure. Well, why not? Now let's put the cup over here. That was a really good fresh water, really good water, of course. And now I think he should be now. I don't know, I called him in the morning when I wake up. He should be like now. Did you get the barbecue sticks? Yeah, I got it, don't worry. He should be right now in 5 minutes because he told me I'll be in the place park in 5 minutes. All right, let's just wait and talk more about it. Oh, maybe he'll become, I don't know. Yeah, he'll be. Hey guys. Hi, Ken. Hi. Well, do you have some barbecue? Yes, we do. Where is it? It's right back, right over here. Ooh, that looks cool and yummy. Well, of course, when you cook it, you can also eat if you want. Sure, because I need that. Well, now we can start cooking, I mean, because we're waiting and maybe you took a little bit long, but that's okay. At least you're here now. All right, let's begin. Do you have the fire? Yes, we have the barbecue. That's why we're gonna do the fire over here. So you can do the fire now. Aurora, well, Ken is cooking over there. It's a little bit windy, but it's okay because it's cool. Now let's see him. He's doing the fire. All right, where's the button? Where is the button? Ah, found it. Ken, did you even find the button? Yeah, it's right there. All right, press it. All right, now we have the fire on. All right, let's tell Ken that we have the stick so he don't burn himself. Ken? Yes? Bill? We have a stick so you don't burn yourself. Oh, thank you. Where is it? It's right there. Where'd you come? All right, let me pick it up. Oh, found it. It's nice. Nice. Cool. Now, let's turn on the fire. Wow, there's the fire. Now, let's just use it. I think these red balls is just to hold them. But I will hold with this cool stick. I think one is done. Alright. One is done. Who won it? Me. Here you go. Hot, it's so hot. Can't get it out. Get it out. Whoa, chill. It's so hot, Ken. I have an idea that I will sit and then we can share. So I will take that plate and then we will share, me and Aurora. All right, that's a great idea. All right, put it right over here. Be careful. Whoa, that was a close one. I'll get your plates and stuff. Do you want to do the Aurora too? Yeah, I love to share. With my best friend, of course. Alright, let's take out the cup. Did you even finish your drink? Yeah, we did. Alright, let's put that right over there so I can put it back. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, here you go, girls. One for you and one for you. Alright, I'm gonna sit over here. Well, I'm gonna work a lot. I'm gonna work more. So if you want anything, girls, just call me. Alright, let's work on this. Okay, I'm gonna sit also with you, of course. Now we have our own plate. Yay! Alright, I will give you. Aurora, do you want fish? No, I hate fish. I don't like fish. Alright, do you want onion? Sure, I like onion, not too bad. Do you want also meat? Sure. I like fish, fishy fish. Yummy. I'll take also the same. These two are for us. Let's put it right over here. Come on, let's eat, Aurora. Yay! Let's taste. That's so good. You should try it. I'm gonna try the onion. All right, I will try it, but first you try it because maybe I don't like it, maybe you like it. That's also good. Put on the plate. Now it's your turn. Let me eat the yummy fresh fish. That's also pretty good. It's so good. That's also good. All right. Let's keep digging. That's delicious. That's so good. Aurora, do you want to drink something? I'm thirsty. Yeah, sure. Let me get some drinks. What do you want? I'll get some orange juice. Yeah, me too. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted already. All right, here's your cup. Now let's take the drinks. Right, orange juice. Good. All right. Come on, dig it. Let me drink. Oh no, I fell. My juice. Don't worry, just pick it up. And we'll put another drink. Let's pour some drink. Good. Alright, it's all full, like mine's. Alright. Be careful this time. Okay. Ooh, yummy! Let's say thank you for Ken. Thank you, Ken! Yeah, thank you, Ken. You're welcome. Alright. You're welcome, girls. Girls, so big and purple and pretty. What, Ken? What do you mean? Wow, that's so cool and big. How on earth is that big? What? Where did you even find it? Right behind me. Right behind me, of course. I thought you find it or pick it up. I want to smell. It's big as my head. That's so big. All right, here we go, girls. Thank you, Ken. It's big as my head too. All right, I'll pass it to you. That smells good when it's big as my head. All right, let me put it over here. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. See y'all next time. Goodbye.